Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, we are doing another unboxing girl, and we are unboxing a pair of our Golden Goose sneakers. This is my first pair of Golden Goose sneakers, so I'm super excited about it. If you guys have Golden Goose sneakers, or if you are shopping for some, or if you like the brand just in general, let me know down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I know some people do not like these shoes at all. Some people despise these shoes or don't see why people spend so much money on these shoes. But if that is your thoughts or opinions, just keep them to yourself. This is just a nice, cute little unboxing. I was just wanting to share with you guys some shoes that I have always wanted. And yeah, I have been wanting these shoes for so long, you guys. I just love them. I love the designs. I will put some on the screen. I just love the design of these shoes, and I'm just happy that I finally have a pair of my own. All right, so here is the bag, girl. I kept them in the bag and everything so that I can really show you guys like truly like the whole unboxing experience. It's not to brag or anything like that. I truly love watching people like unbox luxury goods. It's just something about it. I don't know, it's just so therapeutic to just watch an unboxing. So I hope you guys are enjoying it just as much as I. This is what their shoe boxes look like. Just giving you guys the feels for everything. So on the inside it says, "Dear lover, your Golden Goose journey starts here. Fasten your seatbelt and enjoy." And you can like, I guess, mark this with like Sharpie marker. It's something really cute. So when you first open your box, you're gonna get your Golden Goose. It's what's called the Golden Goose passport. It has a whole ton of information about the brand, the shoes. They are Italian made, and it just pretty much just tells you about the shoes, basically what you're getting, what you're spending so much money on, and everything else. And it also serves as a authentication slip as well, or whatever you want to call it. This is to authenticate that you have a genuine, real Golden Goose product. So we love that for us. And also the right shoe has a NFC chip to where you can like tap your phone on it, and I'll probably show you guys during the video. You can tap your phone on it and it'll literally like pull up the Golden Goose website and stuff like that. So that's really cool too. It does come with a dust bag, which I'm super excited for the price, girl. It should. So yeah, it just says for dream use only, not designed for other activities. And then Golden Goose property. I love the dust bag. So opening the shoe, I'm gonna go ahead and spoil it. I've already worn them, love them. Okay, so this is it, like my first impressions. I love the shoe. I love them. I had a really good first impression, and yeah. I'll only take out one for right now, and then I'll show you guys both of them a little bit later, but this is the shoe. So the style that I have, or the color that I have, is the Superstar with gold glitter star and ice gray suede inserts. I do think that they're still on Neiman's. I think they have some, so if they do, and they're still in stock, I can definitely link them down below for you guys. I am absolutely in love with this design, the colorway, everything. We had to send our first pair back, which was actually a different colorway. It looked completely different than this shoe, because the first size that we got was a size 37, and the 37 was way too big. So I went to the store, I tried on a 36 and a 35. The 35s, you guys, they were killing my feet, like just for the try on, and I only had on one shoe. I said go true to size, girl. Do not size down too much because your feet will hurt. Like I said, I did try on the size 35, and girl, it wasn't enough for me. It wasn't enough for me. So yeah, just do your research. When I was looking up like TikTok videos and stuff like that, I didn't find a lot of girls who were talking about the sizing, so that's also why I wanted to make this video. So yeah, if you're in between size, girl, go true to size. My true size is a size 6.5 in shoes. Like that's what I wear in almost every single shoe, every single brand. They did not have half sizes, so I went with a 36, which is my true size, and the 36 was perfect. I do recommend, if you guys are going to shop Golden Goose, definitely shop them in store so that you can try them on, unless you're just super confident and want to use like the size chart to convert your size and US sizes to European, then that's perfectly fine too. But just for the experience, go in store and definitely try them on for yourselves and kind of walk around in the store, just kind of see how you feel. You know how like back in the day we used to go to shoe stores and your mama like make you put on both of the shoes and like walk up and down the aisle? Like, yeah, do that. My heels kind of did like slip out a little bit of them, and I think it's because of the insoles in these actually kind of lift in the in the back or towards your heel to give your legs more of like a elongated look, so it kind of lifts you up in the back. These shoes are amazing. But yeah, so I do have like these little jelly inserts that I wore with them when I wore them for the first time, and it made my feet like feel really secure. By the way, also too, I have heard like people like to wear these barefoot. I'm not really a barefoot girly with my shoes, so I always wear socks. You know, do whatever you want. So yeah, I absolutely am in love with these shoes, you guys. I love the Gold Star. It, to me, this colorway just honestly went with everything in my closet. Like, I just knew that this would go with everything. And then, if you guys know, Golden Goose sneakers tends to go with everything anyways. It just literally, like on Pinterest, whenever I look at outfits that have Golden Goose sneakers, I'm like, oh wow, I didn't even think that to like put a Golden Goose sneaker, or like a sneaker that looks like that with this outfit, and it ends up looking so good. And I just don't know, it's magic. I guess it's magic. So yeah, I am so excited about this. I love the colorway. I love the shoestrings being the like creamy type of tannish color. I tried some on with gray shoestrings and I really did love them, but I really felt like this would just go with literally like everything, like effortlessly with everything. That's why I went with this one. It has the silver little back here on the heel, love that. And then like I said, the Gold Star, and then it has like these little raised up GGDB and the star on the side, love that. And honestly guys, let me take out both of them. So yeah, honestly, looking at my shoes, they actually don't look as worn as like a lot of other different styles and things like that. That's what I love about Golden Goose. I love that these are truly like unique sneakers. I know people have their thoughts, they have their feelings on them. I have seen so many comments. I think that they're super unique. Not one pair looks the same, so I love that for us. And yeah, I saw so many other colorways too, and that's another thing. Since they don't make them all look the same, you guys can easily find a colorway that goes with your style, with your wardrobe, or like what you want to look like in a shoe. If you want pink, if you want pearls, if you want black glitter, if you want silver or gold, if you want glittery shoestrings, like I just feel like they're so unique, and there's one for literally everybody. So definitely shop around, shop and see which ones you like. What I love about Golden Goose too is that no two are the same, and they frequently change like the way they design it or the colors of them throughout the season. So if you don't see one right now that you like, girl, spring is coming up. They do have some like for pre-order on Neiman's too. And yeah, so that's really cool too. So just keep that in mind when shopping. Let me know if you guys like Golden Goose sneakers. Which style of sneaker do you like? They have a few different ones, but the Superstar ones are definitely like my favorite ones. And then I love like the little, I forgot what they're called, but they're kind of like slip-on Superstar ones. But yeah, just let me know guys what you think. So make sure you subscribe or go follow me on my Instagram. I have another Instagram account called Sydney.hydeia, and it's just everything like sales, unboxings, products, like literally all the good things that I love to do on here. So definitely follow me on Instagram. I will have the name down below and I'll have it linked as well. And then follow me on TikTok as well, because most likely my unboxings and stuff go on TikTok before they come on YouTube, because YouTube is just like a whole nother thing. But yeah, if you like the more like casual short videos, definitely follow me on TikTok as well. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye loves.